Yo, what's up, YouTube? This your boy Ray Mack. Look, this is what I would like each and every one of you to do. If not, please go over to visit my channel, Ray Mack's Kitchen and Grill. On my channel, you'll find all kinds of recipes dealing with Southern style recipes, soul food recipes, whatever the case may be. If you're looking for something good to cook on a Sunday morning, you're at the right channel. If you're looking for something to cook at a cookout or whatever the case may be, you're at the right channel. Even if you're looking to cook something, no matter what, even at home just to chill out with the family and friends, you're at the right channel. So come on and check out Ray Mack's Kitchen and Grill. Peace.